Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the 2021-2022 school year. We are your Orchard Hills Specials teachers. We are very excited to be back and working with you all in person this year. So that's super exciting. We are here to tell you a little bit about ourselves. We will start off with Miss Samuels.
Welcome back. So I'll be your art teacher. I'm Miss Samuels, and I've been teaching art for a long time. I absolutely love it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you this year. So I hope you had a good summer. I hope you did a little bit of art. I've got some of my art here on both sides of me. So we'll be doing lots of awesome projects. We'll be painting, we'll be drawing, we'll make sculptures, some 3D art, and I cannot wait to see you soon. Have a good couple days before I see you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I am Mrs. Wollstonecroft. I am your media specialist, which means we learn about technology in media, and we also check out books. A little bit about myself. I am married, and my husband and I have 3 kids, and all of our kids are in college. I too went to Orchard Hills when I was a child, and I went to Novi High School and graduated from Novi schools, as did all of my kids, and I still live here in Novi. I've been here at Orchard Hills for 11 years, and I have been teaching for 14 years. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and I will see you next week.
Hi there, my name is Mr. Bond. I'm the music teacher. In music, we sing songs, we play games, play instruments. We'll be doing a lot of those this year. So I hope you had a great summer. I hope you're rested up, because let's get to work.
And I am Mr. Smith. I teach physical education. We will be back to our normal schedule of seeing you all once a week. So we're very excited about that and learning a lot about different sports and activities and fitness and social concepts as well within the class of physical education. It's more than just coming down and exercise and running around. We do a lot of learning about how our body works, about how we interact with other people and things like that that are super important. I have been teaching. This will be my 15th year of teaching, my 9th at Orchard Hills. And my wife, Mrs. Smith, is a 4th grade teacher here. We just had our first child, our son Connor, was born on June 13th. So that first weekend after school got out, we were quite busy. And we are very excited to be back this year. We are looking forward to seeing you all full-time in person throughout the school year. And we will give you more information when you come to see us on curriculum night. But we're just glad to be back and looking forward to the school year.